Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be me doing my makeup for tonight. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows, and as y'all know, if you've been on the channel for a while, you already know that I'm using my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. But if you also been on my channel, you know that I don't really particularly care for this formula, but I'm gonna use it all. And my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just gonna place her right on the brow, well, underneath the brow obviously, but and then take me a brush, wow, not the traffic being loud, to disperse the product a little bit so that it doesn't get caked up under the brow when I'm carving out the shape. But then I'm just gonna carve out the shape. All right, and then to carve out the top of the brow, I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. But this time I'm going to use the color Beautiful Bronze because it is closer to my skin tone. So moving into the eyes, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. Two colors that I'm going to be using today is going to be this color right here and then this color right here. Starting off with Zama, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and start to basically cover my entire lid with Zama. Using the same brush, I'm just gonna go into Yodit now. So remember, Yodit is this brown right here. I'm gonna add this brown just to buff out the edges of this orange or Zama that I put on. Just to the edges. Now I'm gonna take a different brush and go into Kafuru. It's just a little bit darker than Yodit right here because Kafuru is a little bit darker and it's gonna give me a lot more definition, and I prefer a lot more definition right here at the edge of my crease. So I'm just gonna do that. And I'm really just focusing it right at the edge of my crease. Like if you could see, it's just right there. And I'm just gonna bring her out. With the brush. Just so it extends out as long as my eyebrow is. I hate when it stops too abruptly, but you see how it adds a little bit more definition and like that fake like little tail. Okay, I know I was gonna keep it simple, but I've decided to have more fun on my eyes, and I'm gonna dip into my California Love ColourPop palette, and the color that I'm gonna take is this Sequoia. It's kind of look like a little orangey, or yellow Sequoia. And you know, I'm using a different brush, and don't forget, all the products will be listed below. Do not worry, I'm going to do that as well. So I like Sequoia. Y'all can't even, okay, this is better. I do like Sequoia, but I am gonna go in with the Bay as well. And she's down here. It's this color right here. Because I kind of want hers to be a little more. So, but not too much more. Like something still a little bit fresh. Oh yeah, see, the Bay plus on top of Sequoia just really pluses her up, and gives her a little bit more oomph, I feel like. So I prefer this combination for sure. And I'm going 3/4 of the way on my lid, if y'all can't tell. Now I'm gonna add liner. So the liquid liner that I'm gonna use today is going to be the Epic Ink Liner from NYX in the color black, of course. Perfect. Alright, so here's where we are with the eyes. The lashes that I'm using today is between the 3D Faux Mink or the Lash Couture. Anyways, these lashes from Kiss. I'm gonna just go with these tonight. I cannot express to y'all how annoying it was to put on my lashes this time around. Like, I don't know what happened, but I completely messed up this eye and had to kind of just redo it. It was very much a troubling time for me. Very traumatic experience, like. But I'm gonna start with my Tatcha. My face is already cleaned and moisturized. I already did my skincare routine. I always do my skincare routine before I put on my makeup. I'm only putting this today on my cheeks and then a little bit under my eyes, not that much, and then on my nose. Okay, so I decided to do Estee Lauder foundation, and I think it's in 7W1. I think it's their Double Wear collection. But again, all products will be in the description box below. And I'm just gonna put this on my face, but I don't really do under my eyes because I don't like to put palette on too much product on top of too much product, especially, you know, when I want it to last. So yeah, the concealer I'm going to use today is the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS in the color Amandi. That is my shade, boo. And really, I focus her towards the lower parts where I basically am going to be putting blush. And then on the top, I'm going to use my Too Faced concealer in the color Chestnut. This concealer don't play no games with them. She is dumb good to me. I'm using my Real Techniques concealer brush, and I'm going to start right under my eye to blend this baby all the way out. I think we're good. So next I'm going to take my Hourglass foundation stick in the color Chestnut, and this is going to go, it's going to act as my bronzer today, my wax bronzer. I like a wax bronzer. I don't know, it does something to me. Here, and then a little bit on my chin. Okay, and then for liquid blush, I'm going to be using Rare Beauty in the color Joy. I'm going to use Hazelnut from Fenty Beauty. All right, and then I'm going to do my bronzer. I'm going to use my True Match in the color Warm Deep Frozen. Now I'm going to take my contour palette from Black Radiance, and I'm going to use this middle color, right Tia, to the outskirts of my face, because I don't want the flashback, honey. And I just noticed, like, this stuff just really do be kind of like, it be looking dark on the, like, in the mirror, and like even on the camera it be looking like real dark. But honestly, when I take my pictures, sometimes I'm like, it didn't even show, because I don't know, like, I guess because the color just be so blown out. I don't know. I'm about to wipe this powder off my face. So for my lips, I'm going to start with my Sephora cream lip stain, and it doesn't really have a color. Oh, it has a number 26. It's the number 26. Then I'm gonna take my Mario Suede lipstick in the color Garth. Absolutely love this combination. I'm gonna put my dark brown liner on from LA Girl. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and add my gloss on top. It's Myth from MAC, M-A-C, MAC Cosmetics. Only thing I'm gonna probably do is put on another layer of gloss because I like my lips extra glossy. So I'm gonna use my MAC Cosmetics lip gloss. Y'all know this is a staple for me. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. All products will be listed down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.